Hi everyone, this is Mark here from Rafferty1 and the first in a series of short videos introducing to the world of Adobe Photoshop. Our first video is a quick look of how to create a new document from scratch, ready to place images, shapes or text in. So begin by going to File New at the top here, as you can see, click File New. And once you've done this, you're presented with a new document screen. Now, with a new document screen, you get all sorts of choices, starting with across here, the measurement of your document you're going to create. So for instance, if you're going to do something in print, you may do it in millimeters. So 420 here by 297 is an A3 page. Or you may be creating something digitally, for instance, a Twitter post or a Facebook banner image. In that case, you'll be choosing pixels, and then you type in here, for instance, for a Twitter page, 420 by 220 pixels. And down here, you get to choose pixels per inch or pixels per second. Normally it's pixels per inch. This is the resolution of your final new document image. Now, rule of thumb is for 300, that is for print. So for instance, when you actually send a print document to be printed at printers, or for digital, which we're doing here, it's 72. That's normally a rule of thumb. You can have higher, of course, if you want to try and get a slightly higher resolution image on your final document, but rule of thumb namely 72, 300 DPI and above for print. And here we've got a color mode. Now, color mode means obviously the color that your document is going to be in. RGB is normally for digital or for screen resolution images, for instance websites, email marketing, that sort of thing. CMYK, that's for print. So CMYK means cyan, magenta, yellow and key, which is black. Obviously that's a print document. Grayscale you may use obviously a few times. Grayscale represents black and white. The others tend not to use those too much. Normally it's CMYK, RGB and occasionally grayscale. So we're going to RGB because we are creating a Twitter post. And finally we got the background contents. Now that means the background of your document can be white, black or a color. If I come over here, which you can choose from a palette over here, I'm going to choose white, and then we're going to go create. And there's our new document ready to put text or shapes in. If I go back to File New, you'll also see that the one I've just created has been saved over here for future reference. So if you need to pull that document up again or a new document again, it's already saved for you. And that will also bring in all the values already saved as well. Okay, that's the first in our series, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.